But we are not going to look at sunshine right now. We're going to look at that after the break. What I want to look at now is the third law of health, which is temperance. Temperance means not taking anything into the body that will harm it and taking in moderation the good things. So notice there are two things there. That's the dictionary definition of temperance. Number one is there are some things that should not enter, and the other is taking in moderation the good things. So basically, all good things. Some people say moderation in all things. You would never say moderation in cyanide or arsenic. No, there are some things that should never be taken into the body, but all the good things should be done in moderation. All play and no work makes Jack a very poor boy, and all work and no play makes Jack a very dull boy, aren't they, the old sayings? It surprises me that we've come to a time on planet Earth where adults don't include children in the work of the home. Have you found that? I was reading of a British paediatrician. He came to Australia. He said, I thought the slave trade was abolished. He said, it's alive and well in Australia. It's called mother. Isn't that interesting? We had a young girl. She came to help while her mother did the program. She was 15. She was totally useless. She couldn't do a single thing. She'd never cleaned a toilet. She'd never made a bed. She couldn't even chop up an apple. We ended up getting her to just sit and listen to the lectures because we couldn't afford a staff member to teach her. She got angry. She got angry at her mother. She said to her mother, why didn't you teach me? And the mother said, I thought I was being a good mother. Do you know, when you do everything for your baby, is that right? And I know mothers find it hard, the transition from baby to little toddler. But I used to think, child, dirty plate, who should clean the plate? Child throws jacket on the ground, who should pick up the jacket? So it's very important to teach your child to work because then you've got time to play with them. And both are very important. My daughter has taught her 7 children to work. They are workers. And the twin girls, they're 16, they're working 2 days a week now in a nursery. And the boss told them recently, he said, I wasn't going to employ you because I am sick of teenagers. He said, they don't come to work, they don't know how to work, they don't want to work. But he said, I needed some workers, so I thought I'd try you. He said, I have never met teenagers like you. Now, where did they learn to work? They learned to work here when they were little. When you deprive children of work, you deprive them of the joy of accomplishment.